Hey everybody, welcome back to A Common Room. I am your friend and fellow traveler Danny, and for this quick tutorial we're going to show you how to create a group where you can connect with your friends, share your stories, promote your events, and just kind of create a local presence on acommonroom.org. So the first thing we want to do is go in and sign in. So we'll go back into the pop-up and I'll load up my demo account. As we all know, Danny the man. I'll sign in. That's the first step of everything. So now that I'm signed into the account, I can go back to the home page, which by pressing this here or through the drop down here, just go straight to start a group. We'll go the long way. So I'll load up the home page, which loads this up, and there's a huge button now that just says start a group. As we said, groups are great for adding members, adding events, news, tweets, uploading media, sharing photos, doing a whole bunch of stuff to just stay connected. Once you click start a group, you can create a name. Our group, let's call it the Homeward Bounders. Why not? And we are actually a college group. Our motto is We Bound Around. I am just making this up as we go along. And we are located right here in Minnesota. Our group contact down, we'll just put Danny the Man at hiusa.org. Go ahead and save that, and then just like that the site wheels turn in the background, and the next thing you know we have a group on acommonroom.org, the Homeward Bounders, located in Minnesota. As the leader, I can easily email the group members. I'm told right away who the staff contact is. In this case it's Megan Johnson. I've shown that there's nothing really in here, so if I would like to go and customize the group, super easy to do that, just like with the profile. Go into the admin area, we can change our bio, we can add a group logo, add an action image, write a little bit about the group, all that right in here. If we need to change the location, pretty simple to do. We can add links to our other networks, our Facebook group, Twitter, Flickr, YouTube, and we can even take a look at our members and go in and revoke membership or change their status, add a custom URL, show how to get in contact with us, and maybe even a phone number. Tons of easy things to do to really get your group into a common room and begin sharing all your stories and events with the rest of the traveling community. Alright, thanks guys, and I'll see you in acommonroom.org.